The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has raised what it describes as grave and escalating concern over Easter weekend fatal shootings by the police. It has also renewed concerns about the absence of body-worn cameras during planned police operations. The police were kept busy on the Easter weekend, so too INDECOM investigators. Between April 3 and 6, 11 people were fatally shot during alleged confrontations with lawmen in 5 separate incidents. The incidents, which occurred in Westmoreland, Kingston, and St. Catherine, reportedly led to the recovery of 8 firearms. In a release on Tuesday, INDECOM Deputy Commissioner Yannick Taylor-Wellington said the incidents continue to reflect an alarming trajectory in the use of lethal force and underscore the urgent need for transparency and accountability in policing operations. And speaking of transparency and accountability, residents of Browns Hall and surrounding areas have taken issue with the fatal shooting which claimed the lives of 3 men in the community.
The amount of police were coming out, wickedest me ever see. This is worse. We live here, sir, and we only enemy we didn't have are the PMP them, and we are one. We only afraid of police, and there's a police come to serve and protect.
They're too wicked. Yeah, we know what Tata says. Every single day we see Tata in our community. We don't see Tata do the only thing when Tata see we are just laughing upon his face. Nothing else. So not too wicked. We never talk about Tata like Tata live out in years. Me I talk about Nelly when I live no life yet. Nelly at all when I live no life.
The concerns come amid data from the JCF indicating that murders were down 29.9% for 2026, with 138 killings recorded up to April 4, compared with 197 for the similar period in 2025. INDECOM, on the other hand, noted that the 11 fatalities bring the total number of fatal shootings by police for April to 13 and 89 so far this year, compared with 87 for the same period in 2025. While noting that investigations are ongoing, INDECOM Deputy Commissioner stressed the critical importance of the consistent and mandatory use of body-worn cameras, particularly during planned operations, potential high-risk engagements, and patrols in vulnerable and volatile communities as essential safeguard in modern policing. In January, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake said the JCF had already deployed body-worn cameras and is moving to expand its stock, pushing back against claims that the force is still awaiting the necessary infrastructure. Blake said he had previously disclosed in September that the JCF was at an advanced stage of procuring 1,000 cameras, which arrived about 2 weeks later and have since been deployed. He added that the force is now in the process of procuring an additional 1,000 cameras.